Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add music to the Play Next section in the SoundCloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So first, just search for a music that you want to add next. Click on the search button and type the name in the search bar, and then just click on the three dots next to the music that you want to add, and then just simply click on the add to next up button, and it means that if you play several tracks, then they will follow each other in an order that you set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.